Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best in the world of EDC knives, the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533. If you're someone who values performance, durability, and lightweight design, this knife is a standout. Benchmade has built a reputation for crafting exceptional knives, and the Mini Bugout is no exception. Let's break down everything you need to know about this incredible tool. First up, let's talk about the weight. At just 1.5 ounces, the Mini Bugout is incredibly light, making it an ideal option for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, or even everyday carry. Despite its feather-light feel, this knife is designed to be incredibly tough and durable. Thanks to its advanced materials, you get a tool that you can rely on without feeling weighed down. The minimalist design and compact size make it a perfect companion for anyone looking for a knife that can handle daily tasks without taking up space or adding bulk. Now, let's move on to the blade. The Mini Bugout comes with a high-quality CPM S30V steel blade, which is known for its superb edge retention and resistance to corrosion. This means you're not constantly sharpening your blade or worrying about rust. The precision drop-point blade shape gives you versatility. It's perfect for slicing, piercing, and performing a variety of tasks with ease. The steel provides a sharp, long-lasting edge that can hold up to tough outdoor conditions. One of the things that really sets this knife apart is its ergonomic handle. The handle is made of grivery, a glass-filled nylon material that's known for its strength and durability. The texture of the handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. Whether you're using it for a delicate task or something more demanding, the handle provides a level of control and comfort that's hard to beat. Plus, the Mini Bugout features a fully ambidextrous design, meaning it's just as easy to use whether you're right or left-handed. For safety and convenience, Benchmade's Mini Bugout comes equipped with the axis locking mechanism. This ensures that the blade stays securely in place when open, offering a smooth, reliable mechanism to lock and unlock the knife. It's one of the safest and most effective locking systems available, giving you peace of mind with every use. It also comes with a reversible pocket clip and a lanyard hole for versatile carrying options, allowing you to take it wherever you go without any hassle. If you're looking for a knife that can handle the outdoors but doesn't compromise on everyday usability, the Mini Bugout is a fantastic choice. It's the ideal size for backpacking or just having in your pocket on a daily basis. The lightweight yet tough construction makes it perfect for a variety of outdoor tasks, from cutting rope to preparing food or even small survival needs. In conclusion, the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 is the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or someone just looking for a reliable everyday carry knife, this one's hard to beat. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're ready to add the Mini Bugout to your collection, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on top-rated products. Catch you in the next one.